Good morning, guys. It's another cloudy day. Maybe it rains soon.
Hey, there is food on ground.
Yeah, found something.
It's sunny here now. I like cold weather. It's warm enough for me now.
Chicks are out too, and they are playing with each other.
Hey kids, enjoy dust bath before it rain again. Soil is still wet, but you can do it. See how I dig the soil. Watch and learn from your mama. Don't go so far. Come here. Come here, my little chick. What are you doing under that stem? Is there something? What did you found? Don't eat soil. Did you found any ants or something to eat? Watch around for wildcats, they can eat you. You are only safe in your coop. Seems that you like this stem so much. Let me help you. That's how you can dig it. But I think there is nothing here. Let's see what we can find here. Maybe some bugs. Where are you going? Come here. Soon you will grow big and become chickens. You already looking like little chickens. Let's go to the coop now. It's too late. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Like and subscribe, please. And yeah, don't forget to share your thoughts in comments.